Remote control. Now imagine for me, if you were to put on a sort of helmet. A helmet with an antenna on it that linked up right to a remote control that I was holding. Imagine that for me. Maybe roll your eyes up as if you're trying to look at it. As you relax, as you focus on my voice, and as you notice how certain things just happen when I press a button on the remote, like how you just sleep, drop, let go, and drift, noticing these feelings only get stronger and stronger and happen faster and faster in 1, 2, 3, surprised by how effective it was, that command to sleep. It's as if your mind is completely and totally receptive to this remote control, having so much fun going deeper and deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sleep. Always having a very snappy response, and always wanting to play along and have lots of fun with any and all suggestions that you're given while being hypnotized. 1, 2, 3. Eyes open, but staying really, really trancy, feeling really, really good, and standing up. That's right, your body moving automatically and effortlessly, as if you're being remote controlled, as if you're just a toy, as if you're just a plaything, staying blank and hypnotized, and standing up at attention, and now letting your mind sleep as you keep on standing up. No matter how deep you go into sleep, you'll stay standing up, following my instructions. Opening those eyes on 3, but only going 10 times deeper into trance as those eyes open up in 1, 2, 3. Eyes open, ready to follow instructions. And right now, I want you to give a salute. That's right. Standing at attention and giving a salute. Right now, saying, I am deeply hypnotized. It feels so good to follow instructions. Say, I am deeply hypnotized again. That's right. Every single time you say it, it feels better and better and becomes more and more true. Say, I love being deeply hypnotized one final time. Excellent. And as you say it, feel yourself going deeper into trance, deeper into sleep. And it's okay if those eyes close as you continue standing up, going deeper and deeper, feeling better and better. Knowing that any and all instructions that a hypnotist gives you while you're deeply hypnotized can override your mind and just be carried out like you're a remote-controlled toy. It's a very enjoyable feeling. And every single time it happens, it feels better and better, and you go deeper and deeper, opening those eyes on 3. 1, 2, 3. Eyes open, deeply hypnotized. I want you to put both your hands on top of your head right now. That's right. Your body moves instantly and effortlessly. No thinking, no thoughts. Now you are to say, I must obey. That's right. You must do it. It feels so good to do it. Say it again. I must obey. Feeling these effects deeper and deeper, enjoying them more and more. Say it one final time. I must obey. Good. And as you obey, you go deeper and deeper into sleep. Letting those arms drop to your sides, going deeper and deeper, still standing up, still feeling good, just drifting, and waking up on 5. When I reach 5, you'll become awake and alert, and maybe even a little surprised to find yourself standing. 1, slowly drifting towards wakefulness. 2, more and more. 3, becoming aware of your surroundings. 4, almost there. And 5, wake up and open those eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, awake and alert.